Greetings, Africans. Are you guys good? I hope you guys are good. I'm well, guys. I'm well, guys. My name is Tebos Kosana. Welcome to my channel. The name of the channel is The Agenda. All right, stay with me as we're talking about the West employers in South Africa. Right, we're asking the question that in terms of the race, which group are the West employers? Right. There's a poll, right? There's a poll that was conducted by the Penwell Mlodjo, right, on his Twitter account. But actually, what informed his poll that he conducted, it was a conversation that he had with one guy called No Tabalui. Those who use social media will know who's No Tabalui, right? So No Tabalui mentioned in that discussion that Indians are the worst employers in South Africa. Okay. So then that, of course, triggered a lot of discussions and heated debates, right?